In this video, we're going to talk about YouTube and how you can use YouTube in your social media marketing. First thing is go to www.youtube.com to get an idea of what it is and how it works. YouTube is the most popular video site online. If you're not familiar with it, chances are you've heard about it, but just as a quick overview, YouTube is a site that's basically where people upload content, upload videos that they have created, and YouTube hosts them for people and shares them with the public. So it basically is a platform for people to share media and videos that they've created with other people to enjoy and watch and learn from. YouTube quickly grew to millions of views every single day and it became a household name soon after it launched. And it just really continues to grow in popularity, and it's a highly visited website. In fact, it's one of the most visited websites on the internet, with people finding it all over the world every single day. It's literally at millions and millions of views. And so it's a network that you really want to make sure that you are leveraging and getting into to promote your business. If you use YouTube correctly, you can leverage the traffic from YouTube and give yourself a great influx of new traffic for your website. People go to YouTube to watch informational videos instead of reading articles, while some people go there just to be entertained. So a lot of times people are finding that watching an informational video on a subject is more entertaining than actually reading articles. And so that's something really important to just to keep in mind, is that people are changing the way that they like to view information. And some people are visual and audio, and audible, meaning they like to hear content, just like you're hearing and seeing on my screen with the content that's being presented. Some people like to see articles done that way instead of having to read articles. And so there's a lot of people that way. And so it's just another avenue that you can get new traffic that may not, be on article directories because they don't like articles. So while some people go there, just to be entertained as well. So keep that in mind, because you can still create some marketing videos that are also entertaining at the same time. Visitors to YouTube also look at product reviews. So you can do product reviews just through YouTube. You could give positive reviews of products that you are selling. So you could do video reviews of products. And that's a great way for people to visually see and hear, the passion, hear your voice, and maybe they will feel like they know you a little better and they might trust you more and they might end up purchasing more. And that's all about what social media is about. Some people really do prefer watching a video as opposed to reading. So make sure you are incorporating YouTube into your marketing in some way. You can also look at video stats to determine which videos are popular and getting the most views. So for example, you could go to YouTube and run a search for a video within your niche market. So let's say your niche market is golf tips, or maybe it's cure your golf slice, the way the ball shoots off there, and some people want to cure that so they get a better, swing. So maybe you type in a Google golf swing tips. You just type in golf swing and you can see the top rated videos for golf swing tips, and you can get an idea as to what videos people might be viewing as popular. And so that's really important. You could type in the name of a product that you're considering reviewing and see what kind of information comes up, because that's going to tell you right there, if a video is getting a lot of views, that means there's a lot of interest in that particular subject. And so that's really important for you to consider. There's a lot of interest in that market, and therefore you should create videos around that similar subject and do your marketing that way. YouTube is a powerful tool that can get you free traffic and lots of exposure if you use it correctly. So a single YouTube video can get you more traffic overall than a newspaper ad would in your actual newspaper, in your actual local newspaper. Videos that you create for YouTube can be very simple. And so they can be as basic as you using a webcam, as you doing a PowerPoint and reading what's on the screen, as you doing just a screen capture, a short little tutorial. Videos that you create for YouTube, they can be very simple. So keep that in mind. You can use PowerPoint to create videos, or use a basic webcam, or just sit, and basically just sit in front of your computer and talk to your webcam, and you can create a video really quick that way. When uploading your video, make sure you have a good title, as that is so important to having success with YouTube video or other video marketing. So make sure the title has the main keywords in it, as well as a good description with the keywords you want in the description. So if your video is trying to get traffic for golf swing tips, so you're trying to get people that are interested in learning about golf swing tips, way they can improve their golf game. So you title your video golf swing tips video, or you do like golf swing tips, how to cure your slice, whatever it is, you put your keyword in the video title. And then in the description side of things, you want to make sure that you are including in your description the keyword phrase for what you have to offer. Now keep in mind, you can easily outsource the creation of YouTube videos, or outsource having people watch and comment on your videos, because the more people that watch and comment on your videos, just like with other social media, if there's activity in an area, that's going to encourage more people to get involved and do some things. Also, don't forget to include plenty of text in your video description. I talked about the title of the video, but make sure you include plenty of text in your video description. The more text you have, the more traffic you can get from the search engines, because they see that as more text-based unique content, or text-based content in general, and they might find that more interesting. But you can also just keep it at a paragraph if you want to quickly be getting these videos out there. You could just have a short paragraph, and then make sure in your description you have a link to your site. So not only can people find your site within the video site, but also your video can show up in the main search results pages for targeted keyword phrases. And that's a really, really important point. And the final point I really want to make about YouTube is that people can find your site within the video site by doing a search for your keyword. And then they could also go to Google, type in a similar keyword phrase, and your video can show up in the main search results pages for targeted keyword phrases. So make sure you're including good keywords with your videos, and learn, you can go online and find tutorials on making short videos, but video creation is very, very basic and very simple, and you can be successful with video marketing through YouTube.